I leave in an hour. 3 months and I'm back for your wedding. Don't start without me. I was wrong about Kabir, about everything. I see it now, Riya. You're the bravest person I know. I'm proud to be your brother. Kabir is lucky.
Come back for the wedding. Kabir wants to toast you properly. He's been waiting for this.
This is a wedding gift for you and Kabir. Dharma would have wanted this. You give these girls something no one gave them. A chance to dream. Thank you for accepting my daughter. It means more than you know.
Every blessing we receive, we pass forward. That's how hope grows.
I know I have no right to ask anything from you, but I'm here anyway. My father is in prison. My mother is broken. I have nowhere to go.
A job? What can you actually do? We need people who can work.
Nothing. I was a rich boy. I never learned anything useful.
You're actually considering giving him a job? After everything he did to you, he made you a public joke. He destroyed you. And now you want to give him our work, our space?
I'm not forgiving him. I'm choosing not to let what he keep controlling me.
I need time. I can't look at him without seeing what he did to you.
I'm not forgiving him for what he did. Freedom from resentment.
Deepadasi Rani Chand still.
Freedom from resentment.
Freedom is not about forgetting. It is about refusing to let his actions own my days.
I never thought of it that way. I've been so focused on being forgiven, never asked. She's better at understanding strength than I am. I was focused on my anger. I never saw her courage.
Sweep the floor. Start tomorrow. 8 hours. Minimum wage. Prove yourself, not to me, but to yourself.
I used to believe caste decided worth. Today I know better. Riya taught me truth.
My daughter found happiness. When she left, I thought I lost her. She came back stronger.
Our father died when Kabir was 12. He raised me and Sana alone. Today he has someone to share the weight. I cannot undo what I did. But I can start here, then start. Every honest day I will notice. Every lie I will remember.
Tomorrow we are married. Not because the world allowed it, I chose you.
Can I sleep with Didi tonight? Before she becomes your wife? Tonight she is mine.
Tomorrow I marry the man I love. Not because I need a man, because I choose him. This was my wedding sari. I didn't choose to wear it, you do. That's everything. I was scared on my wedding day. You won't be. I know that now. Every bride needs something borrowed. This was my mother's ribbon. Now it's yours. I spent your whole life telling you what to do. Today I just watch you go.
Ma, I'm not leaving. I'm walking a little further. You'll always be my home.
Didi looks like a queen. everyone. Look how beautiful Didi is.
The girl they tried to bury found her own light.
And Mehta Basti lit the way. Take care of her. She is all I have. Guard her strength.
We gather to witness not just a wedding, but the end of a bridges.
I promise to stand by you in good times and battles. Not because I must, I choose it.
You showed up. That's all I ever needed. I will earn this choice every day.
The drums have started. Come everyone, dance.
Every person in Mehta Basti was inside that temple. Not as spectators, as family.
This wedding did not belong to us. It belonged to every girl who was told she could not.
The best celebrations are not about the people who came, they are about the people who stayed.
Forget it.
We did it.
We did it. Chal ke desh kagin chokar. Tomorrow?
Tomorrow we wake in our home, open the gates together.
I know you're not hungry yet, but mothers always worry.
Thank you, Ma.
My first day. The first of many.
You're early.
I didn't want to be late. Not anymore. He showed up. That's more than most people can say. Maybe that's where change begins.
Every ending is a beginning. Every beginning needs courage. This was only the first chapter of a story that will keep being written.
Didi, my mother said I couldn't do this. Now she asked me to teach her.
That is wonderful. You've done so well. Keep practicing, and one day you'll be a great teacher yourself. Virisi, 5 more families signed up. Word spread faster than we expected.
This is fantastic news, Meera. I thought I was saving only myself. I didn't know I was showing them they could run too. This is why I came back. Not for a man, not for a home, for this.
So ye je gade bale se pad ba bike ja.
Didi,
What is it, Sana?
I'm learning to braid at school. I'll show you tonight.
Play our father's song. The one he hummed while fixing things around the house.
Freedom is not a destination. It is a road. And the best roads are the ones you walk with others.